Are you interested in making this delicious, juicy, sweet and sour chicken? Let's make it together. I got some clean chicken wing. I add a little olive oil to that. And I'm gonna add some Creole seasoning. Just give something a little different than the usual seasoning we normally use. We are going with a little slack mama. Paprika introduce some color to this white looking chicken. I'm gonna just come out of this. Do remember, marinate your chicken overnight for best result. For easy cleanup, I did line my pan with foil paper. Going to the oven with this. So it's at 400 degrees. So I left that for 30 minutes, then we'll go back, flip it. After that 30 minutes, I took the chicken wings out. I flipped them and then returned them back to the oven for another 30 minutes. While the chicken baking, I started my sauce. I went in with quarter stick of butter and a half bottle of this sweet and sour sauce, some ketchup, some honey, and a squeeze of half of one orange along with the orange zest. Give everything a good mix, guys. Taste it and adjust it if it needs to adjust. Make sure you taste it. Now after that 30 minutes, I remove the chicken wing from the oven. Then I go in with the sauce and just baste the chicken nicely. So I did went ahead, flip them over and coat the other side as well. Then I return it back to the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And that was it. Guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment. And remember, my recipe book is linked in my bio. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.